Hi, I am Eshan from first grade. As we all know, water is the most important resource on earth. All living things need water to survive. If there is no water, there is no life on earth. We need water to drink, and to have bath, and to water plants, and to cook, and etc. We see water wasting by overflowing tank. How can we solve this problem? Let's make a water level alarm with Cretile kit. First we have to take a battery. Next we have to take a threshold. Next we have to take a dimmer. Next we have to take a buzzer. I use the threshold to set the point. I use dimmer. Now let us see the working model. I want it when it reaches over here. I want the alarm. Let us see how it works. Gently, slowly. See, when it clears here, then the water alarm. This is how we can save water for overflowing. Hi, thank you. Thank you, bye.